Igbo men are not romantic. Oh, I regret marrying Igbo men. Igbo men are too this. Igbo men are too that. Oosh, shush, shush, shush. That's a big lie. Guys, you know, coming from my table, I'm gonna always be real. I'll say it's the way it is. I am the only physicist that knows and enjoys entertainment, brings everything to your table, and also encourages you to be a bookworm. Okay, so guys, let me tell you something. I saw a video and a girl said, Igbo men are not romantic. Oh, I regret marrying Igbo men. Igbo men are too this. Igbo men are too that. Oosh, shush, shush, shush. That's a big lie. Igbo men are very intentional. Igbo men are very intentional about their women, about their wives, Stop saying that. Okay? Stop saying that. I won't take that one from you. I will not take it. It's not what I want to take. Have you seen an Igbo man in love? Wait. It's just that you did not meet an Igbo man that is in love with you. Have you really seen an Igbo man in love? Igbo men, do they play with their wives? Do you think they don't disrespect? Do you think they disrespect their wives? How do they disrespect? They don't do that. Do you know what is Igbo? Like, I don't understand. It's not bigotry. Guys, you know that I don't support bigotry. I'm just telling you. Girl, change your mentality. You may want to check your character. Because one thing I know about Igbo men, they like respect. Oh. Okay? That's true, but honestly, I don't support that. Check the people that give their women dignity, the people that support their women the most. Have you gone to Anambra State? You see a man wearing tattered clothes. But if you go home, his children and wife, their family, their home, very organized, very tidied. You see a man that didn't go to school. He didn't go to school. But his wife has PhD. His children to any level. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What kind of Igbo man did you meet? I don't want to put that video here because that video is annoying me. So when I saw that video, I'm like, stop saying that. Stop saying that. Stop saying that. That particular thing you said, I don't agree with you. Show me an intentional man. Show me his wife. Igbo man? Really? Igbo man? Igbo man? Oh, how? Where? Have you even met an educated Igbo man? If you want to enjoy your life, meet an Igbo man that is very educated. No. If you want to enjoy your life, if you want to experience what I'm telling you, meet an Igbo man that is very educated. Then come back later and tell me. I'm telling you for free. Please, you stop coming online to say this Igbo. Go to every other place. They are bad men. They are good men. Stop coming online to say this because I will not agree with you. You guys already know that Choma is not going to agree with you. I'm going to say the fact the way it is. Okay? They respect their wives, so even the ones that have side chicks, see that their wives still come very first in their life and they keep the profile going. Okay? Peace and love.